Imagine wearing a device that isn't just a watch, but a sophisticated wrist-mounted command center that knows your body better than you know it yourself. We are standing on the precipice of the most significant transformation in the history of Apple's rugged wearable lineup. The whispers from the supply chain are no longer just static. They are becoming a deafening roar. For those who demand peak performance and uncompromising durability, the upcoming release is not just another iterative update. It is a fundamental shift in what a smartwatch can achieve. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The Apple Watch Ultra 4 is being engineered to break the mold, moving away from the if it isn't broken, don't fix it mentality that has defined the series for the last few years. We are looking at a complete architectural overhaul, one that promises to make the device sleeker, faster, and drastically more intelligent. The most jarring change, and the one that will be immediately visible the moment you strap it on, is the physical form factor. For years, the Apple Watch Ultra has been defined by its sheer presence, a chunky, bold, titanium beast that commanded attention. But Apple is shifting gears. The latest reports indicate that the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is moving toward a significantly thinner profile. We aren't just talking about a few millimeters shaved off here and there. This is a redesign that prioritizes ergonomic comfort for all day and all night wear. Why does this matter? Because the biggest complaint about the current generation is its footprint. By reducing the overall bulk while maintaining that iconic rugged titanium chassis, Apple is attempting to bridge the gap between a high-end tool watch and a comfortable health tracker you can actually sleep with. This thinness isn't just about aesthetics. It's about integration. A slimmer body means less snagging on gear, more comfort under shirt cuffs, and a lighter feel during those grueling long-distance runs or deep-sea dives where every gram counts. Now let's talk about what is happening under the hood, or more specifically on the back of the device. This is where the real Apple magic is expected to happen. If you look at the current sensor layout, you see a familiar arrangement. But the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is rumored to be introducing a completely redesigned sensor ring, an 8-sensor array. This isn't just for show. Doubling the sensor count suggests that Apple is pushing for a level of biometric precision that we haven't seen in a consumer device before. Think about how many times you've checked your heart rate or blood oxygen during a workout and felt it wasn't quite perfect. By moving to this advanced ring pattern, the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is positioning itself to be far more accurate across diverse skin tones, wrist sizes, and even when you're dealing with the challenges of sweat or extreme outdoor conditions. This is the hardware leap required to finally make features like blood pressure trend tracking not just a beta gimmick, but a reliable, daily use health tool. When we discuss the health ecosystem, we have to address the elephant in the room, the integration of advanced medical diagnostics. While we aren't expecting a full-blown glucose monitor this year, the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is reportedly designed to handle the heavy lifting of real-time blood pressure analysis. This is a game changer for the athlete, the adventurer, or the executive balancing high stress with high output. Having a non-invasive way to monitor cardiovascular trends directly from the wrist is the kind of innovation that makes this device essential. It's not about replacing your doctor. It's about giving you data-driven insights that allow you to manage your recovery, your exertion levels, and your overall longevity. With the rumored S12 chip powering this entire experience, the speed at which you get these insights will be near instant. The S12 is built on 3nm architecture, which is the gold standard for efficiency, meaning you're going to get better battery life, even with more complex processing happening in the background. Speaking of power, let's discuss the battery. We know the Apple Watch Ultra is the king of endurance, but the Ultra 4 is pushing the envelope with an extreme mode. Imagine you're in the middle of a multi-day hike or an ultramarathon where MPLY cannot afford to lose your GPS tracking. This new, optimized power state is rumored to prioritize core functionality while slashing non-essential power draw, potentially extending your battery life well beyond the current 72-hour limits of low-power mode. This is the difference between a gadget that dies on you and a tool that finishes the race. It's that level of reliability that Apple is betting will convince even the most stubborn Garmin users to switch sides. The display, too, is expected to receive a major overhaul. While the current displays are already incredibly bright, the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is rumored to feature a larger, more immersive screen with significantly thinner bezels. It's about more than just looking good. It's about visibility. When you're on a trail in bright, direct sunlight, the ability to see your metrics at a glance without tilting your wrist is vital. With the enhanced LTPO OLED technology, you're looking at a screen that is more energy efficient but even more vibrant. This makes the interface of watchOS feel smoother and more responsive than ever before. Combined with the new action button functionality, which is expected to be even more customizable, the watch feels less like a phone-dependent peripheral and more like a standalone device. What truly binds all this together is the software. We are looking at a future where Siri is no longer just a voice assistant, but a contextual AI health coach. Imagine the Apple Watch Ultra 4 not just showing you your heart rate, but whispering a notification that your HRV, your heart rate variability, is low, suggesting you take a lighter training day. That is the power of a fully integrated ecosystem where the hardware and software are built for each other. This watch will be the most advanced piece of technology you have ever worn on your wrist. It is built for those who push boundaries, those who refuse to settle for the standard, and those who understand that to be the best, you need the best tools. As we look toward the September launch, the leaks are painting a picture of a device that is more refined, more purposeful, and far more powerful than any Ultra model before it. Whether it's the redesigned sensor array, the thinner, more ergonomic chassis, or the sheer raw performance of the new S12 chip, the Apple Watch Ultra 4 is positioning itself to be the ultimate companion. It's a bold vision for the future of wearable tech, one where your device is an extension of your own ambition. And that is exactly why this device will likely dominate the market. You aren't just buying a watch. You are investing in a future where you are more informed, more connected, and more capable. The wait is almost over, and when it finally arrives, it's going to redefine the standard of excellence for everyone else in the industry. The Apple Watch Ultra 4 is coming. It is going to change everything.